Alright, I'm taking the propane furnace out of the RV and I'm going to put a diesel heater in here. I had to rewire it. It uses too much battery to run it at night. Propane furnace coming out, diesel heater going in, step one. Okay, I'm getting it pulled out. It's right below my stove. I've got just enough room. See if it's gonna work. Yellow goes to 2 whites. 2 blues go to 2 browns. It's got plug-ins. Red goes to 4 oranges. Okay, the furnace is out. I can run my exhaust and intake air out that original fitting. That's the plan. Get it cleaned up and get the diesel heater set in there. It's my second diesel heater. It's got a 3-inch hose for the outlet. It's got a better battery hookup. It's got the intake air filter, exhaust muffler, intake, exhaust, got clamps. Got to get that cleaned up. I'm going to slide in there and just see if it's going to work. It's set in place. I'm going to have to put a piece of metal under it for the exhaust. And then I'm going to drill new holes because I don't want to jump up to that level. I'll just use that for fresh air intake. Well, it reaches. I'll get a metal can around there to fireproof it. I may have to extend these a little, but the mufflers have a weep hole, so it has to run downhill. If there's any moisture, oil, or whatever, it'll come out the muffler and go down. And that's the fresh air intake. I'll have to separate them, but you can buy extension pipes and stuff. But I'm just trying to get it running today. But I didn't want to go uphill with it. It's got to drain by gravity, so I'm used to that on plumbing. So about ready to test it. Got up on bricks because the exhaust and intake come out the bottom. I got a piece of metal under there for fireproofing, and then the bricks will help. As soon as I hook 12 volts up, I can try it. I got a piece of rain gutter. It's going to fit perfect. Enlarge a hole, and that'll be extra safety. Because I'm penetrating the wall. That's about the right length, too. I'll just stick it right in there. So that's how I'm going to do this wall penetration. Extra safe diesel heater. You got the gutter, safety, pipe chase in. You got the muffler installed, drain hole down. Got the fresh air intake pointing down. About ready to start getting it running. Got to hook up to 12 volts. I already put diesel in it. I ordered a new fuel line. I'm going to put a tank up here and feed both of them, but for today I'm just going to get it running, see how it works. Getting closer. Well, I got power to it. Never ran this one before. It's brand new. Let's see what it does. Push the on button. Air forward, probably a fuel pump. may have to read the instructions.